What's going on, guys? Good morning. Looking at XRP USD today, daily chart, tradingview.com. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers. Appreciate all 936 of you currently. We're looking at XRP. This is a daily chart. A couple things popping up here on the chart. A couple things of concern. Starting this off, we have a bunch of higher lows in play, which is very good to see. We have higher lows coming in here, all these candle wicks. We have kind of higher highs. I mean, it's kind of rough, not really worth mentioning. This is kind of like a pennant pattern, give or take, which also isn't perfect. If I draw a line here, so these patterns are known to break to the downside, and you could probably argue it a little bit that we may have already broken down, although there is no significant move yet that took place. But you could see, get back to the arrow, that this rising line here, this trend line to the upside, has been respected so far. It was respected over here on the 13th and 14th of November. It was respected on the 21st and 22nd. A couple tests here on the 24th, 25th. Looks like the 2nd and 3rd of December is when things started to get a little shaky, especially on the 3rd, which was yesterday. And looks like we closed below it, and today we actually traded up to it. A little hard to see, but if you're on a computer, you should be able to see it. Our candle wick traded up to it, and then it has backed off. So in theory, we are below that line now. So that is resistance. So that is not good. These patterns can play out to the downside where you see big breaks like this take place. So we undercut the lows. It almost has a look to it as a right shoulder. Of course, we don't know if that'll happen or not, but a break below this trend line is not the best thing to see for the bulls. So keep that in mind, guys. Of course, not financial advice. We could skyrocket out of here. Of course, it's always a possibility in any market that a massive bullish breakout can take place at any time. Being short is a dangerous thing. So we have a couple levels below the market. If this price does start to break down, if the price starts to get below our 37,620 level, which would be right here, which would also undercut our low over here on the 28th of November. We have a potential support area at 36.85 right here. It's in like a reddish pink color. 36.85 is a new level. We also have another level below the market, 35.15 right in here. Potential support. If the price breaks below our 36.85 level, we have one at 35.15. Two lines on the chart. You can see we found support down there at that level on the 22nd and 21st of November. So that's a couple things that I'm watching for. Is it looks like we've broken out of this pattern to the downside. We've broken below that rising trend line. Nothing significant yet, but we are below it. Number two is we have two new levels below the market, 36 and 35. That's 36.85, 35.15, both potential areas of support. If the price starts to move to the downside, you can look for some kind of a pause down there. So it's definitely not looking too bullish here for XRP, at least for the short term. We are heading into the end of the SEC Ripple lawsuit, according to Brad Garlinghouse and some of the other lawyers out there in the XRP Ripple community. So we could see some extreme volatility for XRP moving forward here. We could see, of course, a move to the downside as a shakeout just to be reversed to a big move to the upside, and then vice versa. You could see a massive move to the upside just to be reversed to see a massive move to the downside. News-driven markets can be extremely volatile, so we don't know what will happen here. All I know is we are currently below this trend line here, which is not bullish, and we have two new levels below the market, 36.85, 35.15. So that's what I'm looking for. Not to be a doom and gloomer here, but things aren't looking too bullish currently on the charts for XRP. All right, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Join us here. Join us in the comment section. Appreciate everybody who shares their opinion, whether you agree or do not agree. I read them all. Appreciate it. Have a good one. See you guys in the next video.